Do you know that power bank is so lucrative? You say power bank. It's rare for you to go to a home or a family where you don't see at least one power bank. So that is why you need to consider this as a business idea. You need to consider importing power banks, selling power banks, and make huge profits. Welcome and welcome back. Here in this video, I'll be explaining everything power bank, and I'll be dropping my suppliers' contacts. Power banks has different types. Some power banks you bring and they don't worth it. Yes, I've imported so many. So when I'm telling you this, I know what I'm talking about. That's why in this video I'm going to be dropping my suppliers' contacts for free, guys. Yes, so that you don't fall victim. I've dropped before and people have bought and they are so thankful. But right now I'm going to be making it 2 suppliers' contacts. So make sure you watch to the end so you can get all the deals, guys. Yes. So I'll talk about power bank. Power bank, we have different mAh. Yes, we have 1000 mAh, we have 2000 mAh power bank, we have 3000 mAh power bank, we have 4000, as the case may be. We have even 50,000 mAh, we also have 60,000 mAh, we have 80,000 mAh. So the one thing about the mAh, the higher the mAh, the higher the price. Yes, so the higher the mAh, the higher the price. But in my group, I love posting 50,000 mAh because this is the one I've been using. And recently there was the one I also posted. I'll be showing the picture here. I think it's 10,000 mAh. And when I used the power bank, I was shocked. I was amazed. This power bank really shocked me. I didn't expect it to give me that, quality. I didn't expect it to charge my phone, and I was amazed. That day, I didn't know, something happened and my phone just went off. And I wanted to reply a supplier, and I was like, what do I do? That power bank was just close to me, very small and portable. I had to pick it up. Then I picked it up, I just put in my phone. I was shocked. Immediately it became 15%. I was like, wow. Then I was just charging. I was like, are you for real? This small power bank is 10 mAh. At least it helped me, continue my conversation. Yes, which will make, I didn't continue it. My supplier might say, this person is a serious person. So at least it saved me that stress. It saved me at that time. So, but this power bank I'm posting, this 50,000 mAh right now, we have bought over 200 pieces and no one single complaint. So then one day I posted a video on how to find factory on 1688, and lo and behold, once I was trying to find the factories, and I discovered that this power bank supplier is one of the biggest has one of the biggest factory in China. I was like, wow, no wonder he delivers. And I've been buying from him, and he always give me discounts. So, but that's by the way. So in case maybe you don't know how to import and you still want to sell these power banks, and you are looking for somewhere you can buy and they bring in quality, then go to my description icon, hit the link and join my pre-order group, because a next batch will be starting very soon. We just completed our previous batch, which has been shipped out from Nigeria to China. So I'll be posting it here. Then you will see you can join my pre-order group and get ready for the next batch, because next batch is going to be mind-blowing, and the power bank is coming at a factory price. Imagine you getting power bank as low, 50,000 mAh power bank getting as low as 13,800 naira. Is that not amazing? And you know how much 50,000 mAh power bank is here in Nigeria? Some sell for 40,000, some sell for 50,000. Just calculate the margin. So I also made a video the previous time on a member that got 1M selling power bank. Yes, just one product. You can go ahead and watch the video and also just listening to the full gist of the video. So once I post this my supplier's contact, all you just need to do is to chat up the supplier, and that's all. And the supplier delivers. Well, the one I'm talking about, the 50,000 mAh I'm talking about, is I always buy it from 1688, but I'll be dropping my supplier store link on the description icon. So go there, click on it. Once you click on the supplier on the 1688 link, it will just send you direct to my supplier store. You can go and buy That's one thing about this channel. You gain, we give out together. I gain from you, you gain from me. So that is it. Then the other one too, I also be posting. The other supplier is also on WhatsApp. Yes, you can also chat the supplier up, and that's all. Once they chat, you chat them up. The next thing you have to do is to place your order. Tell them what you want. Then for this thing, it's app, all you just need to do when you go there, you place your order. You can also go through the customer reviews to view for yourself and read for yourself and see what I'm talking about. So once you place the order, the next thing is to, but for state, you need to drop in your shipping company address. Very important. Very important. And when you talk about shipping company, we have two methods, the air and the sea. So I advise you to use sea shipping, because power banks are kind of heavy, so that you don't end up paying huge for shipping fee. So use sea shipping. In 2 to 3 months it arrives and you get your power bank, sell. And this is a very lucrative business this period, because very soon, this holiday period, this is when people travel. December, Christmas, people travel to the villages, and so many villages right now don't have power, so power bank is very necessary. Yes, it's very important. So it's going to sell out so fast. All right, I think I've talked enough. I don't want it to be too long. I'll be posting the supplier's contacts. Just feel free to chat them up and buy anything. Comment in the comment section. Let me know any other contacts you want me to drop. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, please. It's totally free. Subscribe if you've not joined the family. See you in my next video.